my name is Kelly, and I am the firm administrator for the Accountancy Board. Today, I'm going to demonstrate on how to add and remove Ohio CPAs from the employer tile on the eLicense dashboard. When you log into your eLicense dashboard, you will see the firm license tile, and then you will see an employer license tile. That is where all the Ohio CPAs that are employed at your firm are managed. You will either have one location or you might have multiple locations of the firm. You will go to that location or that employer tile, click on Options, Manage Employees, and it will take you to the list of affiliations at that location. If you are adding a CPA to the firm location, you will click Add New Affiliation. You will add the CPA's license number. That will populate their name, their license number, and what they are. You will then go down to where the start date is and click on their start date at the firm. Click Add. You will be attesting that the information is true, and you'll click Save. That will send our board a service request that there's either a person needing to be added to the location or being removed. You will click Done. If you are wishing to remove a CPA that is no longer with the firm, you will go to that location or that employer tile, click on Manage Employees. You will go to that CPA's name. Over where it says Details, click on the little tab, click Edit Deactivate, and then Deactivate. That will send our board a service request. I will then go into the service request and remove that CPA from the firm. And once it's submitted, the CPA will be removed from the location. If you have any questions or need help, you can give me a call or you can email me. Thank you.